you do 4 times 12,
Okay, that's all.
and then you add 7. So the improper fraction is p minus 55 over 12. And you're still going to add 55 over 12. You're going to do that to both sides. This cancels out. So you have to find a common denominator between 15 and 12.
Hold on, I'm a bit behind. Wait, so.
Yes. Don't ask questions first. Let's just write the answers down. So there's the answers for 2 and 3. Wilson, you should be writing these down. Wilson, you should be writing these down.
4. Negative. Okay, yeah.
4 is
should
negative.
we write the answer down even if we didn't do the problem?
Yes.
Okay.
Write the answer down even though you didn't do the problem. Then you have 5 is negative 1. 6 is negative 7.1.
7 is 19.6.
Negative 19.6.
Negative 19.6. Sorry, yeah.
8, you should have got negative 24. And that was one we did together in class. 9 is 8. 10 is 0.
So none.
What'd you say?
None.
Nope, you can't say none.
Okay, that's what you told me to put.
No, I
yesterday.
didn't.
No, because you told me yesterday you would go back over it and get back to me, and you never got.
Yeah,
back.
and I did get back to you. Okay, I thought I
You never
did.
got
It's 0.
back to me.
I'll go over number 10 if you want. Number 11 is
No, I
negative
understand.
7.
It's fine.
Number 12 is negative 8.
Oh. Hello. Listen back up. Okay.
So you multiply numerators, multiply denominators.
And then I'd add.
So you add these
divide
two.
Yeah.
So let's